Marines have arrived, bro. It's Eric.
It's Gerardo Martinez.
What the fuck? He never joined the military.
He told me he was.
Hey, Zeus was.
Where are the bombs?
Up your ass.
Well, I think everybody went
Oh, no way.
Somebody set up the Machine Gun Kelly. No way.
David.
How? How does it? You know,
What a dumbass fucking attack, man.
Yo, help me.
cover me, guys. Cover me. Let's get these bombs going, bro.
Wait, I already got the bombs on me. Who's
Hey,
taking the
Joe, they're
bombs?
both over here.
Wait, Jose, maybe we should stay back here.
Man, fuck that. Oh no, no! Dude, that's not bro! Dude,
Did you see that though? I saw that from my fucking too, dude.
bro!
You go down. See Walker fall down the boat.
Watch out.
I'm trying to say Jose, we should stay here.
Bro!
He just fucked hell. Gets killed. Oh shit. I'm gonna get the other bomb, I guess.
At least I didn't take the bomb with me. That was
Why are these fucking assholes spawning here? Who's about to swing my ass out too?
bro, that was so fucking lame.
You look hilarious from my point of view. That's the whole thing. Your body just laying down. Walker looks fucking retarded.
Actually, you're going the wrong way.
Shit.
Oh no, you're going the long way. Busco's getting swarmed. Busco's about
Me and
to die,
Hector,
bro.
me and Hector are racing.
Oh shit, I'm about to feel fucked.
Busco's about to get murked, bro. Busco's about to get murked, bro. He needs you guys' help. A guard defended him.
That's my toolkit, bitch. Nah, I'm just kidding. You'll take it. Hey, Alex, stay on the bridge, bro. Keep
Yo,
it
go
covered.
find my bot. Go find my bot and respawn me, bro.
You're down there, bro.
He dies.
Your name's down there, too.
For real?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I recorded that shit too. It's just fucking he got knocked out the fucking boat.
Were you looking at him when he fell?
I was.
Yeah.
And then he said, oh no! As he
Fuck
fell,
you.
like, the fuck? He went in there so confident, like, man, fuck that, I'm going in.
I felt great, bro. I felt
He
good, bro.
turns the corner to the tall boy right there.